I did ask you to subtract 7,000 minus 22. So I want you again to check very carefully. You understand? It's subtraction. A lot of people, they have problem. So we are saying 7,000, right? Minus 22. Right. So like from what I said, 0 minus 2, right? It can't, because 0 is less than what? 2. So I have to go and borrow next door. Are we together? But then there is nothing to borrow next door. So I have to go borrow next door. There's nothing to borrow. So I will have to borrow to the next door again. So this 7, when I borrow, is going to become what? 6. Are we together? And then this one is now 10. But then I want to, the reason why I had to go to 7 is I want to make sure that this one gets bigger than what? This one. So I borrow again from 10. This one 10 becomes 9. And this one becomes what? 10. Right. And I borrow again from here. This one becomes what? 9. And this one becomes what? 10. And then from there now, I can say 10 minus 2. What is 10 minus 2?
8.
8. And then 9 minus 2? 9 minus 2?
7.
7, right? 9 minus 0?
9.
9. 6 minus nothing?
6.
6. Right. Are we together? So even if you want to go and prove your answer, you just say 6, because the opposite of subtraction is what? Addition. So you go and say 6, 9, 7, 8, right? Plus 22. So you discover that 8 plus 2 is what? What is 8 plus 2? What is 8 plus 2?
10.
10. So you say 0, you carry your what? 1. What is 7 plus 2?
9.
9 plus the 1 that we carried?
10.
10. 0, carry what? 1. And then 9 plus the 1 that you carry?
10.
10. 0, carry 1. 6 plus the 1 that you carry?
7.
7. So you see that your answer is what? Our answer is correct. Right. So again, I want you to try 8,000, right? Minus 99. I want you to try this one. 8,000 minus 99. Right. The way that I've shown you of borrowing next door. Borrowing next door. Right. Go and borrow next door. Go and borrow next door. Okay. So if you say prove your answer, so we write 7901 plus 99.
Do I borrow?
No, you're not adding. Just add. We are proving it's the opposite of subtraction. We want to get to 8,000. You understand? We are just trying to prove what you did is correct. What is 9 plus 1?
10.
Write your 0 and you carry 1. What is 9 plus 1 that you carry? 9 plus 1, 10. Write your 0 and you carry 1. What is 7 plus 1?
8.
8. So that's how you what? You prove. So, right? So again, you can be faced with a number like 6,008, right? Minus 99. Right. You see this one. This one now, you go and say 0 minus 9. Right? 0 is less than 9, so it can't, right? So I have to go and borrow here. You understand? I want you to check this problem. It's a little bit tricky, different from the ones that we've been doing, because it's a 6080. You understand? So you borrow here, and this one becomes what? 7. Are we together? And this one becomes now what? 10. Right. So it's 10 minus 9 is what? 1. Are we together? 10 minus 9 is 1. And then we go to the next. 7 minus 9.
Can't.
It can't. So I go and borrow here. But there is nothing to what? To borrow. So I go and borrow to what? To 6. And 6 becomes what? 5. And this one becomes what? 10. And again, I now have to borrow here. This one becomes 9. And then this one becomes what? 17. So it's going to be 17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9? 17 minus 9?
8.
It's 8. And then 9 minus nothing, it's 0. Right? 5 minus nothing is 5. So if we want to prove our answer, we are going to say 5081. Right? Plus what? 99. So let's see, 9 plus 1 is what? 10. 9 plus 8 is 17, right? Plus 1 is 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And then we are saying 1 plus 0 plus 0 is what? We are saying 1 plus 9 is what? 10. Are we together? Right? And then 9 plus 8 is what? 17 plus 1 is 18. Are we together? Right. From there, we carry what? 18 carry 1. 1 plus 0 is what?
1.
And then, so here, we made a mistake somewhere.
Yeah.
Right. 9. So this one is supposed to be 9. So this one is supposed to be what? 9. So we are saying 9 plus 1 is going to be what? 10. Carry what? 1. 5 plus 1 is going to be what? 6. Are we together? Right. So that's how you subtract. So I want you to now try 5090 minus 99. You can try that one. You can try that one. So I want you to be perfect in subtraction, right? Whereby you are borrowing next door. You have to learn to borrow to the next, right? So that's how you actually borrow.